Hi guys, so let me take you through how you can add the typing text effect on your text or your videos using Capcut. So I clicked on new project. I'm going to get the video I want to add the text effect to, and then I'll add it to Capcut. Once it opens, I'll click on text below, add text, and enter my text. Welcome to Jay's Tips here. Then I'm going to click on style to change the style of the text. You can see the style has changed. Next, I'll click on the style again. I'm going to change animation. So I'm going to use this typewriter animation here. So this is how it will appear. Now to the main thing, I'm going to click on back twice. This arrow at the bottom, I'll click on it twice. Now I'm going to click on audio and click on sound effects, and then I'll search for keyboard. Now it's usually the first. Look at it, typing on keyboard sound. I'll click on it, add it by clicking the plus. Now look at. There's another way of adding your typing text effect to your videos. Now I'm going to click on the video I want to use. Then I'm going to search. I'm going to go ahead to add my text. Add text. Welcome to Jay's Tips. Please subscribe. I've added my text now. I want my text to be as long as the video, so I've extended it to the end of the video. Next thing I'll do is to click on this arrow at the bottom twice, style at the bottom, to change the style of my text to something more attractive and beautiful. Here you go. Next, I'm going to click on the style again and click on animation. So I'll scroll down and I'll use this one down here, typewriter. Here you go. Now this is the main thing. I'm going to click on this back sign twice, and then I'll click on audio and click on sound effects. Now I'm going to search for typing. Yes, look at it. This first one. There are different ones. Typing sound, typing 2 keys, typing 1 key, typing sound key, typing on keyboard sound, typing the sound of hitting, Apple typing sound to PC. There are different ones, but I like to use this first one. So I click on the plus sign and it's added. Here you go. I'm going to reduce it to the length of my video.